Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can design a Facebook cover using Google Gemini. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to click on this use microphone command, then allow this time. Hi Google Gemini, I want you to design for me a Facebook cover in which I'm talking about how you can use Google Gemini to design for free an eye-catching Facebook cover, okay? Thanks. Then you click on this button, then you wait for a few seconds until Google Gemini will design for you a Facebook cover, okay? So as you can see here on the screen, this is how it looks like to use Google Gemini to design a Facebook cover. I like it, and you can get the same or better result. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button to catch you next time on the Savvy Digital Nomad channel. Thanks for watching.